Hello all. Uh, in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce, for the purpose of somebody who want to get familiar with how to configure the PL/SQL server, included not only PL/SQL server, also Oracle. Uh, in terms that you have to get familiar with those information in this video following step. So now first things you needed to download PL/SQL. Of course you can download inside this Windows. uh, that can be done, but sometimes its response are a little bit slow. So you can do it. You can do it download in outside. You can download it in outside even. Uh, Sorry for that. You can download it outside. For example, PL/SQL download. Then even you can download from there. So uh, you can download any version you want. Maybe somebody who's working now. Actually, we needed to download Windows version because we needed to put in inside the Windows, right? But the thing is, you have to, before then you install, before then uh, you can download in outside. How the question is how to copy the from outside to inside of the virtual machine, inside of the Windows. That's you needed to share your folder from the outside of the Windows to inside the virtual machine. And in order to do that, there is a things in the share folder. Uh, Share folder. First, you needed to select your download folder, which is already download the PL/SQL. So, for example, you already download here, then you can add it. You can choose any kind of folder you want. For example, probably you want to share this folder to inside. Then you can just select it, then you can read it, auto amount, then okay. Now before then okay, first of all I just want to let you get familiar with inside this window. So actually now I just only have a two share folder, just only two share folder. Now I want to share third folder. For example, I want to share this the desktop, which is not desktop, it's download folder for my purpose. Okay, so this should be the third one. Refresh again. So this is my new folder, but everything is fine just because you already installed it. The Okay, from here you already installed the extension, Oracle VM Books extension. If you without this extension, you never get been shared between the VirtualBox and your hosting Windows. So this is a prerequisite. You have to install it this VirtualBox extension. Where do you where I get this VirtualBox extension? Just type it virtualbox.org download. Okay, from this site you can easily found the each version you want to download. Then same time you also can able to download the extension. there is an extension already put. For example, uh, there is a VirtualBox 6.1 extension, right? So, but probably depend on what kind of version you downloaded. So you will be found an extension for each of the version. So you will be found here. Whatever you found it, you can download it. Then you need to you just install it. You just double click, and they will be prompted in the VirtualBox. Then after then just need to click it. Then you will be successfully install it. Basically, that's it. That's it. Then you know how you can install it. They will be prompted in this insertion image folder. Then you will be installing this things. I mean, um, this is an extension. After that, you will be easily share this folder. Then you can copy any kind of file from your hosting Windows hosting operating system to your VirtualBox application. So okay, that's the first things. And then after that, in order to check your virtual I mean your account in the for Oracle, you can do the same things. For example, you can two way to verify. One is if you already installed it Oracle Server Developer. I mean Oracle Server Developer, which is we already downloaded, right? Probably first page, your page should be probably like this. Then first things you need to uh, add the link. Then the password should be the user sys, probably sys admin is no, hold on, uh, username is sys, username is there is a several option, of course. First one is HR. Okay, there should be a default username HR. So username is HR, password also HR. So this is the first one. It is not admin, but this is a normal user. User HR password also HR. Second is probably sys. Password is HH Oracle 7412. Then probably also should be has test and test. Also possible to use it, but other than you can check it by the two tools. One is for example, ones you can access from menu. One program you can access from, for example, Sqlplus. So Sqlplus, you can type it HR and HR. You will be going to enter it. So select from jobs. So this is working. Then also possible to close. Okay, maybe wait. No, okay, fine. Then also sys as sysdba. So password is HH Oracle 2412. They also work. So this is a another application, another user. So this is working. Then another test is another test is you need to create one of the, if you there's an empty, you just need to create new one. For example, you just need to edit one. Mm, for example, just need to edit new one. So you can edit, for example, HR user, HR user. So then this is a use, no, this is HR, and then this is a by default. Then password is I already changed to one. Maybe probably HR. Then this is you have to change. This is a ORCL. This SIDs you have to change as a ORCL. Then you need to test it. Oh, success! So it's working. Then another one is, of course, says um, HH Oracle 7412. Let me test first. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh no, this is sysdba. Okay, success. So I can connect it. So whenever I connect it, this is a sys user. Okay. Whenever I connect it, okay, Oracle 7412. You will be possible to access whole range of all the, this is administration level, so all table you will be access it. This is too much, you know. This is a maybe 100 of table. It's, there is a lot of, maybe 1,000 of table, I don't know, I didn't count yet, but this is too much table, right? So actually you don't necessary to using admin to operate any operation, but basically uh, you can you can edit user, you can maintain user. Probably there is a HR also has, you know, inside the sysadmin you can access, also access the HR namespace. For example, select from, if you remember, there is a HR has a six table. Let me no, oh, from HR employee, no, jobs. Okay, let me see jobs, and then uh, what I want to tell you is there's a, you can access by HR. This is under the HR user, under the namespace of HR. So this is a they running, you know. Okay, result is still okay. This is a running, but you cannot run this way. You cannot run this way because it's not the default namespace. But you can run inside the Oracle. Okay, inside the no inside the actual namespace. So so you can go back to, you know, this disconnect. For example, I just want to I'd like to use HR, not using the admin, so I just want to close it. Disconnect. Come on. Disconnect. Okay, then I just want to, oh, this is a open to system. I just want to open the HRDB because it's simple. First of all, it's a simple, just only file and six table. I will show you now. Just country, department, employee, job history, jobs, location, and the region. So in this place, you also can. um, okay, I made a mistake. So very slow. So there is a differences. Select from uh, you say for example jobs. Okay, but I'm not using HR namespace this time. If you remember last time I did it this way, but now I don't necessary to add HR because I'm uh, in this in the current namespace. So this is all of the process. Help you. This tutorial help you. You will find helpful information from them. Uh, by the way, there's a view you can add it. More important is there's a procedure which is uh, which is it's the main topic in the PL/SQL. You will be writing PL/SQL in the in the just this is a simple PL/SQL in this course. So I think that's all. Goodbye.